very weak for me for three reasons. One is because Auto Cluster has a special place in my heart. My father was the president of Maratha Chamber and a key, I would say, influence in making the Auto Cluster happen. It was his dream that the small scale industry should also have access to the best facilities. And if they can't afford to invest in it themselves, then there should be a place where they can go and avail of such technologies and facilities. It was very close to his heart, this entire effort. Secondly, I do believe that time has come for India to take a giant leap in not just being consumers of EV, which we are now on its way to be, and I'll talk about that, but also producers of EV technology. And in that, of course, the key is the powertrain. And I think, therefore, I believe that this entire focus of today's conference on EV technologies is important, and I wanted to share my perspectives with all of you as an OEM and as somebody who's been involved, as a member of the EV community much before EVs became fashionable. Great. So when we started Kinetic Green in 2013, EV was very new in the country. There was hardly any policy, any thought process. I started this project only out of passion. You name it, I mean, the best scientists, Dr. Mashelkar, all have been associated. Dr. Anil Kaporkar with this as the chief guest or as awardees or as members of the awards committee. And in that particular year, we had the CSIR DG, Dr. Brahmachari, as one of the awardees. And over dinner at home, we were talking about future of automotive, and we will come together along with our labs and help you to create technology for EVs in the country. And that's how Kinetic Green started. We set up a project with CSIR, and there are 3 labs, CMARI, which is the mechanical engineering lab in Durgapur, CRE, which is their mechatronics lab in Rajasthan near Ajmer, and SICRI, which is their chemical engineering lab in Karaikudi. They became partners, and together we created India's first made in India electric 3-wheeler. And even then the focus was make in India. This is back when there is really, think about 10 years ago, there is no ecosystem. So the passion was always about doing something which is innovative, good for the society, and with a make in India thought, not just importing something and putting together and assembling a product. So I thought that since my beginning in EV was all about make in India, I must come and that as a group, as a country, we have to come together to really, not as our government says in the forums, miss the bus in EV, but actually be one of the leaders in EV technology. And some of the thoughts that I have in that regard. So I'm really here to encourage all of you to share my learnings as a part of the e-mobility ecosystem, as one of the early players, having